Hi, girls.
Hello.
I just want to find out if you can actually speak any Shona words at all.
Yeah.
What Shona words do you know?
Yasha.
Mm-hmm.
River.
Mm-hmm.
Kwaziwai.
Mm-hmm. You can also say some.
Makadihe.
Makadihenyo. Do you remember what that means?
To tender.
Okay.
That means thank you.
Mm-hmm. How do you say you?
Forgot.
Oh dear. How do you say come here? Remember, starts with huh. Yeah, never mind.
You are planner?
Yes, we are planning. Thank you. All right, see you later, girls.